So we have this problem on indices to be solved on the board. By the way, I'm Bukola Joseph. Simplify 1 over 3 raised to power 5n times 9 raised to power 9 minus 1 times 27 raised to power n minus 1. So, solution. So if you have this kind of problem, okay, we try as much as we can to convert whatever we have to the same base. Okay, looking at this question, yes, we can convert all what we have to base 3. I think that's the lowest base to base 3. Okay, we convert this to base 3, we convert this to base 3. Let's start. So we have this is equal to 1 all over 3 raised to power 5n is already in base 3 times 9. Let's change 9 to base 3. We have this, right? 3 into 9 3 times, 3 into 3 1 time. So it means we can have 3 twice. Okay, so we have 3 raised to power 2. Okay, that's 3 times 3 to come back to this. Okay, so 2, but we have 9 n minus 1 here, so we'll bring it down. N minus 1, let's put it in brackets so that the solving will be what's making sense. So we have this, so we have times, let's convert this to base 3. We have 27. 3 into 27 is 9. 3 into 9 is 3. 3 into 3 we have 1. So how many 3 can we get? 1, 2, 3. So 27 is equal to 3 raised to power 3. That's 3 times 3 times 3. So we have 3 raised to power 3. Remember, we have n minus 1 here, so we'll bring it down. N minus 1. Okay, so let's further simplify. If we further simplify, we'll have this. We'll have equal to 1. Let's bring this so that it becomes linear. Okay, so if we remove this all over, this one will carry a minus sign. Okay, removing all over means it's going to carry a minus sign. So we have 3 raised to power minus 5n. You want to remove the minus sign, you just do 1 over. Okay, removing the minus sign, it becomes 1 over whatever. You want to put the minus sign, it means you have to remove all over. Let me just explain it like that. So we have times 3 raised to power this times this, 2 times n will give us 2n. That's we're opening the bracket of this power. Then 2 times minus 1, we have minus 2 times 3 raised to power 3 times n, we have what? 3n. 3 times minus 1, we have minus 3. Is that okay? So let's further simplify. We can see that this is in the same base now. So because it's in the same base, we are going to sum the powers. Okay, so let's sum the powers. If we sum the powers, we'll have this. We'll have 3 raised to power minus 5n plus 2n minus 2 plus 3n minus what? 3. Okay, so is equal to, now let's add or collect like terms. If we collect like terms, we have minus 5n plus 2n. We've taken this, right? Then plus 3n. Okay, we've also taken this, remaining this and this. So we have minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so let's further break this down. If we further break it down, we have minus 5n plus 2n plus 3n. Okay, now let's sum the one with positive together first. So we'll have what? Minus 5n. Since this one is the same sign, so we have plus what? 5n. Then we have, this is carrying the same sign, so we add and maintain the sign. Okay, just like what we did with this one. It's the same sign, we added and then maintained the sign. Okay, so we have this, the same sign, we add and maintain the sign. So 2 plus 3 is going to be what? 5. So maintaining the sign means it's going to be what? A minus. Okay, so we have this cancel this, we have to go. Then we have 3 raised to power what? Minus 5. And this is equivalent to, remember what I told you about minus? It's going to be what? 1 over 3 over 5. And this is the answer. I'm still Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. Bye.